We will guide you through how to change certificate name in Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop. Open your fictional certificate project, making sure the sample design is visible on the canvas before you begin editing. Select the rectangle tool by pressing the U key, then check the options bar to confirm that you are working with a shape. Make sure the stroke is disabled so the rectangle will not create an unwanted outline around the covered area. Click the Fill Color swatch, activate the eyedropper tool, and sample a clean section of the certificate background near the current name so the new shape blends with the design. Draw a rectangle over the current sample name, covering every letter while avoiding nearby borders, decorations, signatures, or other text. Press the Ctrl and Enter keys together to confirm the shape and finish placing it. Select the Horizontal Type tool by pressing the T key. Click once on the newly covered area and type the replacement name you want to display in the sample certificate. Open the font menu and choose a typeface that closely matches the style used throughout the fictional certificate, paying attention to the letter shapes, weight, and level of formality. Change the text color to match the certificate design, using the eyedropper tool if necessary to sample a suitable color from nearby wording. Select the Move tool from the toolbar and make sure the new text layer remains active. Reposition the name carefully until it is centered within the available space and aligned with the surrounding certificate elements. Make the text larger or smaller until the complete name fits comfortably without touching borders or appearing out of proportion. Finally, inspect the spacing between letters, the distance above and below the name, and its overall alignment.